Amidst the continuous attacks on minorities in Bangladesh, CNN News 18 visited Dhaka University to understand the mood among young voices. At Jagannath Hall, a residential space traditionally which is reserved for Hindu and Christian students, we found a mix of emotions. Many students expressed a sense of safety within the campus walls, but admitted that fear lingers when they step outside. Some spoke of aspirations to move abroad, citing concerns about their future in Bangladesh. CNN News 18 exclusively spoke to hostel dwellers from the minority communities who reveal how the fear of minority persecution is real. Will India open the doors for them? Take a look.
I'm going to try and get a sense and a voice from the people who are students over here. Do you feel alienated over here or you're fine?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine.
But you do hear stories about people being targeted, whether they're Christians or whether they're Hindus. Does that upset you?
I actually don't have any knowledge about that, so I feel safe here.
Because you're inside this hall over here.
Yeah.
Outside, would you feel safe?
Sometimes I feel alienated, so I'm a Christian, that's okay. But inside hall, I'm safe.
You can just see the visuals. This is the Jagannath Hall. This is where largely the large number of Hindu students or people from the minority community, which is the Christians, all of them actually come and study here. You can say it's like a little island, which in a sense is cut off from much of what we see outside of this particular university. This is a part of the Dhaka University. I did try and speak to some of the students, but then they walked away. Only one of them mustered courage to speak to me. Remember, when they would speak very vocally, I tried to speak to some of the students. You can see just over here, right behind me. And as this country goes to election, but that gives you a sense when people don't want to speak anymore. Their silence tells the story about what Bangladesh is going through. I see largely over here, this is called the Jagannath Hall. Right? Yeah. So you have students who belong to, say, Hindus, Muslims, all Hindus and Christians, all of them living together. Buddhists also. Outside this is a different world. There are unfortunate stories which come out of minorities being targeted. Does that bother you as a student?
As a student, I feel really unsafe because nowadays there are some extremist people who are actually very extreme to the religion, like Hindus. And this is really very threatens for us, and we're feeling very nervous in this country. And that's why most of the students in our hall are trying to go abroad, because current situation is not like that to stay in this country. So that's why I think I will go abroad also.
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
I want to go like some European countries.
You are a student of music. Music transcends all kinds of communities, religions, countries as well. But the kind of words we hear outside of this university, where Hindus, minorities being targeted, does that bother you?
অবশ্যই আমাকে জিনিসটা কষ্ট দেয়, জিনিসটা নিয়ে চিন্তিত, এবং খুব ভালো মতনই আমরা এটার বিরুদ্ধে কথা বলতে চাই যে আমাদের মাইনরিটিদের উপর যেই ধরনের মাঝে মধ্যে যে আক্রমণগুলো হচ্ছে বা যেই ধরনের বুলির শিকার হচ্ছে, আমরা বিভিন্ন হ্যারাসমেন্টের যে শিকারগুলো হচ্ছি, এটা আমাদেরকে কষ্ট দেয়। আমরা চাই যে জিনিসটার বিরুদ্ধে কিছুটা হলো
ভয় লাগে, যেতে চাই এখান থেকে, ছাড়তে চাও হস্টেল লাগিয়ে রেখেছে যেটা?
না, আমার দেশ আমি কেন ছাড়বো? এটা তো আমার নিজের দেশ না। এখানে আমি জন্মেছি, আমার বাবা মা, আমার যারা পূর্বপুরুষ সবাই এখান থেকেই তো আমরা জন্মগ্রহণ করা, এখানকেই এইটাকেই তো আমরা বিলং করি না। এখানে ছাড়ার প্রশ্নটা আসলে আসে না, বরং চাই যে এখানে যেহেতু স্বাধীন দেশ, স্বাধীনভাবে হচ্ছিল এখানে যারা হিন্দু, মুসলিম, খ্রিস্টান, বৌদ্ধ সবাই মিলে হচ্ছিল খুব সুন্দরভাবে হচ্ছিল এখানে থাকতে চাই। কিন্তু কিছু যারা হচ্ছিল উগ্রপন্থী, যারা, আমি সবাইকে বলছি না, যারা উগ্রপন্থী, যারা
অনেক হিন্দুদের কিন্তু মারা হয়েছে, যেমন বিপুচন্দ্র দাস। হ্যাঁ, খারাপ লাগে।
হ্যাঁ, তা তো অবশ্যই বিভিন্ন জায়গাতেই হচ্ছিল। বর্তমানে একটা মব ক্রিয়েট করতে পারলে মনে হচ্ছে যে অনেক বড় কিছু হয়ে যাচ্ছে। মব ক্রিয়েট করতে পারলে সমস্যা হচ্ছিল, মব যখন ক্রিয়েট হয় তখন আসলে মানুষ কোয়েশ্চেন করার কোনো সুযোগ থাকে না। যেমন দীপুচন্দ্র দাসের ক্ষেত্রে ওনার কোনো দোষ না থাকা সত্ত্বেও যারা হচ্ছিল আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনী, তারা কিন্তু কোনো ধরনের কোনো আলামত তারা পায়নি যে এখানে তার কোনো দোষ ছিল। এই যে এরকম নির্দোষ মানুষগুলো হচ্ছিল এভাবে মবের শিকার হচ্ছে, জিনিসটা অবশ্যই আমাদেরকে মানে খারাপ লাগায়।
Sridhar Manjula is a student of music, and he says he feels horrible when he listens to stories of anyone from the minority being attacked. He said this is a kind of a mob attack. He talks about Dipu Chandra Das, and he also says that we would want to raise our voice, but I don't want to leave Bangladesh because Bangladesh is also my country. But there are certain radical elements who are clearly trying to create this divide and targeting people from the minorities as far as Hindus are concerned. This is the Jagannath Hall where we are reporting from. It's from the Dhaka University and one of the safest places really for the students over here. Students coming across all countries, many of them coming in from West Bengal, Hindus, there are Buddhists over here as well as Christians. But while many of them ran away, did not want to speak to us, but some who braved to speak to us did make the point that what is happening in Bangladesh outside is something which is most unfortunate. Radical elements take together, and also there is a fear factor. Many of them are scared. Some of them are also saying that they want to leave and go away and settle down abroad in a European country. That is the state of affairs, and what kind of a democracy is then Bangladesh fighting for?